This genocide is in 4K on your telly. And your only answer, you're not going to be able to say, I didn't know. The only answer you're going to be able to give to your kids is, I didn't care.
Yeah, but how do you think this is going to be looked back at this period?
It's a shameful period. Yeah. It's going to be a shameful period. And as I've said before, one of the things that's important, I mean, my kids are grown up now and they are very much about the haters of injustice. I should hope I battered that into them. But I am not having my grandkids growing up and when they're reading about this saying, what did you do during there? At least I can throw my social media at them and stuff like this and say, oh, look, I did what I could. I roared about it. I tried to get more people to speak. It's the people who are saying nothing. Have you got your answers ready for your kids or your grandkids when they're hitting secondary school and they're reading about this? And your only answer, you're not going to be able to say, I didn't know. The only answer you're going to be able to give to your kids is, I didn't care. And that is not, is that something you want your kid to think of you? That you did nothing when that was happening? I'm not prepared to give that answer to my kids or grandkids.